So this question says John paid a total of $165 for a microscope by making a down payment of $37 plus P monthly payments of $16 each. Okay, so he's paying $37. In addition to that $37, he's going to pay 16 times P, however many months there are that he's paying this. And all of this should end up equaling 165. As long as there's no interest or fees there, then how much he puts down plus how much he pays per month should just equal the total cost for the microscope. Which of the following equations represents this situation? So I just translated this. So this is definitely a translation question where we're just taking the wording from the sentence and converting it into a mathematical statement. Do we have a match for this down here? 37 plus 16p. Perfect. Choice C, right? So the order of the 37 to 16p are reversed, but that's perfectly fine. These two things match up. So choice C is the correct answer.